have shredded Parmesan, some egg whites. This is, I used this last night for some tacos, but it is black beans, some vegan mozzarella, and chicken. It's already been seasoned, so I'm going to use a little bit of this and add a little bit more chicken. We have some red potatoes and then an egg. I'm going to show y'all how I turn this into a delicious breakfast bowl. Okay, so this is some avocado oil I have warming here, and then I chopped up those 2 small red potatoes, and I'm gonna season them with the Selected Vegan Slut Dust. Y'all, I love this stuff. You see it says great on veggies and potatoes. That's the truth. So we're gonna season the potatoes with this, and this will be all the seasoning we're gonna need for the breakfast bowl. Just the potatoes, and then I'll put pepper on the eggs, and we're gonna be good with the seasoning. Make sure all the potatoes are seasoned while we wait for the oil. Okay, we're gonna saute these potatoes until they are soft. Okay, so I've been letting the potatoes rest just to get some of that oil off. I threw the chicken in here with that leftover chicken and beans just to warm it up. And then we're going to throw those eggs in there and add some pepper. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed making this breakfast bowl with me. I'm probably not going to eat all this. I'll probably save half for tomorrow. And you see, I added ketchup to mine because I like that, but you can also add like salsa or any other sauce you want, or you can eat it plain. So it's many ways you can spice this up. If I would have had like some fresh spinach, I could have added that in there for some veggies. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bon appetit.